A grandmother is facing charges for the death of her own grandson. The 11-month-old boy died while in her care, and now we're learning the cause of death. Local 10's Ian Margol is live with the new details. Ian.
So this happened a little over a year ago, but BSO only made the arrest a few days ago. Now this grandmother is facing a serious charge.
This is an extremely sad and heartbreaking case. It involves the death of an 11-month-old baby boy.
After a year of investigations, the Broward Sheriff's Office arrested 53-year-old Tabina Lusant on Friday and charged her with aggravated manslaughter of her own grandson.
In August of 2022, the family of Josiah Finellis, an 11-month-old child, left him in the care of his paternal grandmother, Tabina Lusant, at her home in Oakland Park.
Apparently, during that visit to his grandmother's home, the boy became unresponsive, so 911 was called and paramedics rushed him to the hospital, but he didn't survive. Months later, the medical examiner's office determined he died from a toxic dose of cyproheptadine, a powerful antihistamine that is only available with a doctor's prescription, but is also sold as an appetite supplement. And during their investigation, detectives found 2 baby bottles in Lusant's home that both tested positive for the drug.
Josiah was in his grandmother's care, and Tabina Lusant, the grandmother, told BSO homicide detectives that while he was in her care, she was the individual who made his bottles.
In court over the weekend, 2 of Lusant's sons joined her attorney in asking the judge to give her a bond, saying she's the bedrock of their family.
She is a mother. She is a grandmother. She has 6 children, 15 grandchildren.
So Lusant was given a $50,000 bond, which her family has since posted. That charge is a first-degree felony. So if she is eventually convicted, she could face up to life in prison. Live in Oakland Park, I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.